Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I was doing a food review today, and I was in the store the other day in the frozen department and ran across this. It's the home bake, 425 to 30 minutes. It's a chicken parmesan, and I can honestly say I've never even heard of this before. Well, this today, before I bought this in the store. And it says just mainly cooks. Cook all the ingredients in the oven at 425 for 30 minutes. Let it stand and give it a try. So I don't know what to expect. Never had it before. We're gonna see together. There you go. Turn around so you can see it. There it is. Looks good on the package. Sure, a pretty picture. Let's get her out of here. Turn this over, and it literally says leave the cover on it. Leave that. It's not a whole lot, but it's lunchtime for me and Mama, so it'll probably be plenty for us. But yeah, there you go. We're gonna cook that all, leave it covered up, leave it sealed, and we'll go from there. That's all it says here. I got in trouble for not reading directions. Literally, we're gonna preheat the oven, which is happening right now. 425. We're gonna cook it completely sealed for 30 minutes, and we're gonna let it stand before we remove the film and hopefully eat. So let's get her in the oven as soon as it preheats. Minutes. Alright, that's what she looks like now. We're gonna let that stand for 2 minutes and we'll take it off. I'll get Mama fed and then we'll come back and get you and I a bite to taste test this. Okay, well, it's partially coming off now. Get this. Oh, maybe. I'm expecting a lot of steam. There is. I can almost touch it. All right. Let's give this a good stir. Let's see what. I don't know about this, guys. Alright, let me get Mama fed here and we'll come back and get us a bite. I'm not too sure about this, to be quite honest with you. It's cheesy. That's for sure. I'm not too sure. It looks like kinda, I mean, it's not stringy like it is on the box. But it is cheesy. It's got the Parmesan, everything. Let's give it a taste. Alright guys. Guys, I do apologize. There's extra background noise here. I know, dirty little secret is I'm actually shooting 2 videos at the same time, so. So there is some noise on this one. I do apologize, but tell you what, I gotta get a bite of this. It's the home bake chicken parmesan. Another bite. I want to be fair. It's not horrible. I've had better. I'll be quite honest with you. The mini bites. The little mini bites, yeah. All right, Mama says Mama likes it. It's not bad. Mama likes it. I'm just okay with this. I'm trying to. It's kind of bland, to be quite honest with you, in my opinion. Yeah. Give it a try. Tell me what you think. Have you had this one? Like I said, the brand is home bake. I've never even seen it before. I'm gonna eat this. I'm gonna finish it. Will I get it again? I don't know. I might try one of the other versions of this. But home bake, guys. Chicken parmesan. Give it a try. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you've ever had this before, and let me know if you liked it. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Be back next Tuesday for another food review of some sort. I don't know exactly what we're doing yet. But guys, thank you as always. Please hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Like the video and hit that bell notification to let you know every time I have a new video. Guys, until next time, God bless you.